Welcome back for another QNT price update video, and at the time of this recording, QNT is trying to break above our significant area of resistance above the $1 mark, the $100 mark, and a break above that with a retest. Then there are high chances that QNT is going to continue gearing up and get above the $105 mark in the next coming hours. And all this is playing out after getting our lows down here at around the $84.4 mark, where after getting that low, we saw much of a consolidation before we saw the massive breakout to the upper side, breaking above significant areas of resistances in a move that gave us a high above the $110.2 mark, and that was after a rejection at our key area of resistance at around the $110.9 mark. And after getting rejected over here, you can see that we have been seeing much of a pullback here on the charts into the minimum target area that I gave you in my previous videos using the Fibonacci's, where I connected the fibs from the lows that we made at around the $84.5 mark to that high at around the $110 mark, giving me a target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, and that was between the $97.1 mark and the $89.6 mark, which is an area that we are yet to fully maximize. But you can see that we saw a pullback into the area, so a bit of a reaction in a move that in the past few hours has been giving us a bit of a bounce, and we are now trying to break above resistance at around the 110, that is the $100 mark, and a break above that, then we can easily expect higher prices on the QNT chart. We also need to have in mind that we can also get rejected over here, and in case such a movement plays out, then I will be expecting the first line of defense to lie at around the $97.6 mark, where we can find support and then get another bounce back to the upper side. Alternatively, in case the $97.6 mark does not hold, then expect further breakdown into this blue target area, where we can then expect QNT to fully maximize our target area, give us a low in place over here before we can see another reaction to the upside, breaking above areas of resistances and continue gearing up even higher. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on the QNT chart on the short term. And if I jump to the daily chart, I want to give you my long-term Elliot wave analysis and also give you reasons why in the next coming weeks we can see a massive pump in the formation of this wave 3 over here. And you can see that QNT gave us a bear market low at around the $40.1 mark before we picked in a 5-wave structure, having the wave 5 giving us a high above the $229 mark, completing the formation of this wave 1 to the upper side. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 into the minimum target area highlighted on the charts using this red target area, which is an area that we have now almost fully maximized, giving us a low at around the $84.5 mark, and there are high chances that this is now the low for this wave 2, and in the next coming weeks or maybe months we can see a reaction of this target area down here and continue getting impulsive in the formation of this wave 3 to the upper side. And the minimum target areas for that wave 3 can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave down there to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $386.5 mark, which is the minimum that we can expect that wave 3 to the upper side to do. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on here on the QNT chart on the short term and also on the long term. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you in the next one.